Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Today I have some cozy Christmas cards for you from brand new paper and card making packs. So let's get started. I visited Germany in fall, and when I was over there I of course checked for new supplies, and I found this new company. It's called DecoTime, also coming from Holland, and they make these beautiful card making pads. They're similar to our Studiolight packs, but these also have glimmer and other embellishments. So I'm going to show you a few of these pages so you see what to expect, but then also the cards that I have created. So what we have here is two 8x8 packs. And first of all, in the bag, you have all the cards that you can create with this pack. And all you really need is a card blank, because the embellishments to make these cards come in this pack. And what I like is, like I said, there is some glitter to it. It is all die cut, so all you have to do is just push it out and then create your beautiful cards. You again have a little sample card up top here, and I like these whimsical embellishments. They're fresh, they're modern, they're cutesy. Here you even have a card that you can make for a man in your family or friend circle. Look at this cute little polar bear, Rudolph. So it's super cute and whimsical scenes, and again all are basically already pre-cut. And you know, you can add this polar bear and have the immediate 3D effect if you use some foam pads. So I have this pack. I also have this one here, and this is a, well, let's see in a bag. This is like a cozy pack. And these are the cards then that you can create. Everything is in there, the greetings as well as the embellishments. And you have Christmas cottage and a star and snowman and just cozy socks. Beautiful decorated outside of the house. So that's this one. And then I have a bigger one. These are 8x8. And this pack is A4. And what I like here, you have a lot in here. So let's see. So you're going to get 8 die cut sheets, 2 vellum sheets with quotes that are foiled. You get 8 pattern papers and 1 glitter sheet. So you got everything in here that you need to make cards. Plus these cutouts down here, you can use as a stencil. So the pack itself, the packaging itself is a stencil. So how cute is that? So if you look at these, you have, like I said, lots and lots of die cuts. Here is one of the vellum sheets, and there's already something coming out here. Vellum quotes, hot cocoa and fuzzy socks, stay warm, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So beautiful. Then here is the glitter paper, and then you have cardstock in different designs, and you can just cut into it and make your card blanks. Beautiful cardstock. Love the colors, love the designs. And then in the back you have even more pages of nothing but die cuts, and you can just push these out and add to your cards. And there we go. And then on the back there is more of our vellum foiled quotes that you just cut out and add to your cards. Let it snow, happy holidays, winter and love, jingle bells. So yeah, these are they just came in, so I'm glad that they came before Christmas. So I made some cards, and here is my first card. Here I used the look at these fuzzy socks, and I didn't use and I should have I should have used the fuzzy socks greeting, and I'm probably still going to put that on, but I didn't. But here I just used 6x6 card blank. And I have these square card blanks in my shop. If you're interested, I will link them below. And then a little bit of paper, one of these cutouts. I added what could be added as a second layer with a foam pad, and here it is. This is a top folding card, and there is really nothing to it. It's just so super cute, I think. But there's more. So this card here is so cute too. Look at this snowman, and he is holding snowman balloons. Now how cute is that? The paper that I used here comes from a different paper pack because I got this delivery just a couple days ago, and I crafted and I had everything out, so I mixed and matched. So the paper that you see on this card comes from a Studiolight, and this is a brand new paper pad from Studiolight, which also has embellishments in vellum. The only thing is here, these elements need to be cut out. So what we have here, let's see, is a pack with 36 sheets, 8 patterns, and then 3 sheets for cutouts and 1 vellum sheet. So the cardstock that is in here, you can use for blanks. So what I like is you just take one out and then fold it in half, and immediately you have a card. You also have, so you have all this beautiful paper in here, but then you have cut aparts. Let's see if we can. Yeah, so we got the cut parts here, which are easy, right? You just cut them out. And then you have all these additional embellishments that you could also fuzzy cut. What I like here is that they have already outlined it with a white outline shadow. You can see that. So it is easier to cut it out because you see exactly where you're supposed to cut. So if you don't mind fuzzy cutting, this is a great pack. So we have these in here twice, and then there's another sheet. Beautiful cupcake, love it. Winter cottage, very cute. All kinds of smaller embellishments. So this is in here 3 times. Is this in here 3 times too? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 times. Everything is in here 3 times. Okay, very good. And then you have in the back, you also have quotes on vellum that you can cut out, and you can read for yourself. So gingerbread, you can make gingerbread man, gingerbread house, coming home for Christmas. So super cute. So this is a new paper pack that I have in my shop, and I used it for this card. I mixed and matched. Now this paper that I have on this card is yet from another pack that I will share with you in a second. But the embellishment up here in the corner, these are the embellishments that I make myself from all my scraps that I have. I have punches, and I just stack the different punches. Here I stack them on a snowflake. And then of course there's this doodads little glitter bling that I love so much. Yeah, and a little bit of foam pads, and that's it. But let's check where these warm winter wishes come from. One of my favorite companies is the Paper Boutique, because they make the most beautiful papers. There's also paper in abundance in each of these kits. And I have 3 new ones for you for Christmas. And this one here is called Christmas Magic. Now, we're not going to have time to go through all of them, but they are also absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to show you the Christmas Magic really quick. Here we have the papers, and look at them with these old-fashioned skates. And let's just go through it here. So here's the paper. There's plenty of paper in here. We got, let me see how we do this. I'm going to screen it. So we got this beautiful stack here. We got a polka dot. We got beautiful ice skates. We got this wintry scene. How beautiful is this? It is absolutely gorgeous. And so we got 6 different ones. And then here we have again these antlers as a paper. And then a foliage, a winter foliage with red berries, and then it starts again with the stack. But we also have in these packs, we have the die cuts. So we have die cuts in circles, with or without greetings, happy holidays, season's greetings. And then we also have them in squares, Merry Christmas, warm winter wishes. So you know now where this one came from. We got It's Time to Celebrate and Forever and Always. You also have additional sayings on the side that you can use for your cards. So there is lots and lots of paper in these packs. As a matter of fact, you get 36 papers in 6 designs, and you also get 32 die cut toppers in 8 designs. So lots and lots of papers in these packs. Now, what have I crafted with them? I just love this one. And here is my first card, and I made a card with these beautiful skates. Season's greetings, and I just combined all the different papers because they are so pretty. And the only other thing I used is my red outline borders. I carry these in my shop. These are these beautiful glitter border lines, and then my punch for the snowflakes. I added a little bit of stickles to the skates down here and to the beautiful shoe, the ice skating shoe. But yeah, that's it. And it's just a white blank card, but I thought it came out really nice. Made a second one, and here I used this beautiful black background paper with the snow. Yeah, the papers really do the trick here. Season's greetings. You've seen now these little embellishments that I have made. I always make a whole bunch when I have all my scraps laying around before I clean up. I punch out everything, especially if I have glitter or holographic paper like here, or if I have foil paper. I don't let it go to waste. Even if I have a little bit left, I punch it out and stack it, and see how beautiful this comes out. And then over here and I added or I matted it on silver cardstock. And this one is on a blue card that I also made myself from blue cardstock. I then made a slimline card with the embellishments. And even with the slimline card, you can make, cards or tags. I love tags too. I didn't make tags this time, but I probably will. I have so much material left. This is, I had that in my stack. This is just a sticker that I used, and same with this little package, and I put it on cardstock, and then I added some foam pads to just bring it out. But again, the beautiful artwork comes from these paper packs. I have a couple more that I want to show you, so let's get to it. Okay, so I also have what they call the Christmas cuddles. Here we have 36 sheets of paper in 6 designs, and you can see designs right here on the front. Look how beautiful these papers are. So this is just a paper pack, so you have just papers in here, 8 by 8 beautiful background papers, but it also has a matching embellishment pack. And in this embellishment pad, you have 36 sheets in 6 designs, and it has all these toppers that, these are like square toppers you would cut out. So these are not die cut, you would cut them out, but they match these beautiful papers. And of course, they have all the greetings as well. So this is the one called Christmas Cuddles. And it has a paper pack and an embellishment pad. And then I have a third one, and this is called Winter Wonders. And this is the paper kit. So this is again like the very first one where you have papers and die cuts. So these are different versions. Here you have paper only, embellishments only, and here you have papers and die cuts. So look at this, all wintry, beautiful, sending you warm winter wishes. This, of course, is not necessarily Christmas. You can definitely make beautiful winter Christmas. Yeah, you can make Christmas cards. Winter birthday cards, I wanted to say. You can make beautiful winter birthday cards. You can see this is the design that is basically in here. So these are also available if you are interested. I hope you like the cards that I have created with these new paper and card making pads. If so, please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and please share this video with your crafty friends and family. I would really appreciate the support. I thank you so much for spending time with me today. This is all I have for you. Please stay or get well, and happy holiday crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.